Welcome to EasyMaths. In this video, you're going to learn about the basic construction of angles like 60 degree, 120 degree and 150. To make 60-degree angle or any other angle, the basic step will be to first draw the baseline. Let me share my screen and then tell you in detail how do we draw the angle of 60 degree and 120 degree. So if I am drawing a 60-degree angle, first draw the baseline, label the baseline OA, mark the point specifically. Now from point O, if I have to make an angle of 60 degree, I make an arc from O of any radius. Now once I fix the radius need not change. Now from the point where this arc cuts the line OA, I make another arc. Here we can see this point P. We join O and P and a 60-degree angle is ready. Now let's come to 120 degree. To make an angle of 120 degree, again make a baseline OA. From O, make an arc. You can take any radius, but once you choose a radius, you have to keep it fixed. Now the next thing, from the point P, that is the point of intersection of the arc with the line, you will make another arc. Let this point be Q. Join OQ, that will make 60, but we want to make 120. So from Q, again we'll make an arc. Let this point will be where the line cuts is called R. Now make a line from O to R. This is your 120 degree angle. Now, as we know, between 60 and 120, there is 60 degree. If I bisect the angle between that, I will surely get 90 degrees. So let's learn angle of 90 degree. Again, the baseline first. Make an arc. Let the line be OA. Point of intersection be P. From P, we will make an arc Q, as we learned before, that is 60-degree angle. From Q, we will make an arc R. Now from Q and R, we are going to make arc so that we bisect 60 and 120. This arc will be from point Q, then from point R, as you can see from the screen. The point of intersection of these two arcs is called S. Join this point of intersection with O. This will give you a 90-degree angle. I'm sure this video will benefit you. For more such videos, like and subscribe my channel and keep watching EasyMaths. Thank you.